Welcome to the FARO Gage demonstration. Today we are going to show you how to generate a program to measure the part you see, and then we'll perform the inspection and generate a report. This demonstration will be done in real time and takes less than 5 minutes. Setup is simple. Attach the gauge onto the 3.5-inch ring and secure with a wrench. Connect the power source and USB cable as shown and turn on the device. Now follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the probe tip. Simply place the probe in the cone as shown and take 3 full sweeps to complete. To demonstrate the accuracy and versatility of the device, we will now measure 3 certified gauge blocks. First, we will measure a plane on the granite table. Using the device as you would a traditional height gauge, we can quickly and accurately measure the length of each block. Then, by setting a temporary 0 on the 1-inch block, we will show you the dimensions of the other blocks relative to the 1-inch block. The print for this part requires us to inspect the following features: top face, line 1, which is datum A, line 2, which is datum B, 4 holes, 1 round slot. Using the top face, line 1 and line 2, we'll create an alignment from this corner. After the features are measured, we will calculate the following: an angle between line 1 and line 2, a bolt circle through the 4 measured holes, a dimension from hole 1 to hole 2, and finally we'll calculate true position for hole 3 and create a report. As you can see, the display is set up with a tool cart on the left side where you can select various options as required. Below the tool cart, as we select features, they appear graphically in our program. On the right side of the screen, you will see the feature that is currently selected. Below that, the dimensions that we require are shown, which will become a part on the final report. We continue to select the features and dimensions as specified on the part print until we have completed all of the requirements. All of these features in the demonstration are selected in an offline mode, which will enable us to save this later as a program. When these steps are completed, we simply save the offline program we created to use for future inspection of similar parts. Now we start to measure the part. The software will graphically guide us through all the features in the order we selected them as we generated our program. Each feature to be measured is displayed on the screen as shown. The user has the option to take as many points as they choose, but a minimum number of points must be used to calculate any specific feature. The FARO Gage is a full 6-degree of freedom device, allowing flexibility to measure almost any feature from one setup. When we created the program, we entered the nominal information from our print for hole number 3. By doing this, the software will allow us to calculate the G, D, and T automatically from the information gathered. When the last feature has been measured, a report is automatically generated to show us all the result information for the features we measured. Upon completion of the measurements, we can simply rerun the program as often as required. If needed, the data is capable of being saved and sent to an SPC database. Thank you for watching the brief demonstration. If you would like an on-site demonstration, please contact FARO Technologies at 1-800-736-0234.